हाँ जी फिर मित्रों आप करन लगे हुण अज ब्लॉग शुरू अज करूँगा ब्लॉग शुरू मिस्टर प्रभजोत सिंह धालीवाल। सो जस फिर अज दा की प्लान है अपना?
आज पता नहीं या माउंटेन या फिर
या जिद्दां कि असीं तुहानूं रात दस्सिया सी जां तां फिर ब्लू माउंटेन्स और मेबी वी कैन गो टू जू।
या
व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ जू?
पता नहीं, सिडनी जू होगा।
I know where your friends or your brothers sisters living. Yeah, there.
Very funny.
Yeah.
Very funny.
You are going to meet them.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Then. No, up. अच्छा लो भी मेरी पत्नी ने मतलब मेरी घरवाली मेरी वाइफ ने क्या भी तू बढ़िया बोलदा है भाई पर तू कैमरे वाल देखा कर किधर गई आ बैठी है चिड़ी।
वाओ थैंक्स।
उड़ के दिखा फिर।
नहीं यार
हाँ
सीधा ऊपर ही चढ़ जाना फिर
नहीं तू ऊपर छाता ऊपर किथे जाना था?
Right, so we are ready. I'm wearing this like bodysuit. It's like a, I don't know, it's nice. It's from Misguided. Jeans and my Adidas shoes. Jyoti, what you wearing?
Black t-shirt with light blue jeans and Skechers.
He loves them. Loves them. Right. So we're like super late. We're aiming to like leave the house by 9. It's now 9:40. So we still need to have breakfast.
Oh, it's 8:40.
Is it 8:40?
Yeah.
Why is your phone saying?
Look.
Your phone's, well, his phone's wrong. It's saying 9:40 instead of 8:40.
My phone is showing England's time.
No way. Okay, we're on time. We're on time, guys. Just a little late. It's fine. Yeah, we're just going to eat now, and then we shall go on the trip.
You are here up here.
Up here. ठीक है। तो ये ना उस पिंडे इतने भी waterfall है।
ठीक है।
अब मैं शराब बढ़ी हूँ। हाँ एक waterfall।
चलो चलिए। Jump.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Right, so where are we going?
Going to Wentworth Waterfall.
Waterfall.
ਉੱਥੇ ਚੜ ਰਹੀ ਅਰਮਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਥੱਲੇ ਨਾ।
Getting good wide up there. With the ladies over there.
Oh yeah.
That's where we're gonna go. See there are people going over there.
हाँ जी डॉक्टर जी। मक्खियां इंडिया वांगू है थे।
बहुत ज्यादा।
ओके।
2 मिनट बाद मुंह ते बंदी है।
Okay.
Really? 2 seconds.
हौली चलनी पर
Yeah. Come in. I got stuck. ज्योति हम कितना लंबा सफर है वापस
ਆਪਾਂ ਬਸ ਆਏ ਘੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਬਸ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਬਸ
बस
ਬਸ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ
ਬਸ।
ਪਹਾੜ ਦੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है
ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਇਟਸ ਨਥਿੰਗ
ओह
ਬਸ 1 ਘੰਟਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੁਰਨ
We made it. Jyoti, we made it.
Yep. You tired?
Super.
I know.
Literally. And you said
Always tired. You lazy.
I'm not lazy, okay? I walked the whole way.
Yeah.
That doesn't make me lazy.
I know how you walked.
Okay, you pushed me half the time.
Yeah.
Or like dragged me. Well, coming up mainly, not down. Yeah. Jyoti, where are we going? Jyoti, where are we going?
तो चले यहाँ पर चले watching Three Sisters
Watching
movie.
What? Not a movie. The 3 mountains.
I don't know exactly.
Yeah. There we go.
3 mountains known as Three Sisters.
Okay. We're going there, and we're gonna go in a.
Skyline something.
Where are we going? Arman.
Arman.
Where are we going again? So we're gonna go. We're gonna go to the skyline. I'm gonna have a look. Right.
Okay,
What are you looking for?
No, that's not it. Looking for sky.
But no, I'm not sure how to do it because you come with a driving. Yeah, I think you can drive over there. They have some signals and you can arrive there.
This is one of these nuggets.
These are nuggets.
That is humongous.
Humongous nuggets.
Whichever I like.
Right, let's have a look. So we're here. Okay,
I'm
so you
not
got
sure
1,
which wall.
2, 3. We're going. Okay, which one are we going to? Tram first or Skyway?
If we're going to see, where's the steepest train in the world?
Isn't that? Those 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
That is clear. It will go clear. And my name is Beth still, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask us.
One photo. Okay.